Hi, for this video, I'd like to show you the new Dr. Martens Adrian leather tassel loafers I just bought. This pair of loafers is made with olive color Carrara leather and untreated aniline vegetable tan nappa leather. The untreated leather will develop patina over time, but you may also want to be careful staining it. I'm new to this leather and I'm unsure how well this hold up in the rain. Looking at the shoe up close, I'm pretty impressed by the craftsmanship. It seems nearly perfect. The loafers appear to be good quality and well made. The stitches are in the right place and durable. The Adrian loafers have their classic tassel detail, and you can tell it's a good quality leather by observing how beautifully the leather was folded and stitched together. The loafers are unlined, so you will see the suede leather interior, and the insole is likely to be leather. Even though they are unlined, the suede interior has a soft texture and feels comfortable. The outsole is Dr. Martens' typical the original outsole. It's made with PVC alloy material. As you see here, the outsole provides good abrasion and slip resistance against slippery surfaces with oil or fat. The shock-absorbent air cushion of the outsole also gives your feet more comfort. In addition, the loafers feature a Goodyear welded construction with their iconic yellow stitches. I don't think the yellow stitches work well with every color, but I think it's not bad with this olive color. One thing I noticed is that when I look closer, I can almost see the texture and pores of the vegetable tan leather, which is becoming increasingly uncommon since many leather textures are printed these days. Depending on when you watch this video, you may also see the cedar tan brown option on Dr. Martens' website. The reason I chose the olive color over the more versatile brown color was that I have many green tone outfits and bags to pair with. On top of that, I thought brown leather loafers were easier to find, and I don't often see leather loafers in olive color. Regarding sizing, my shoe size is usually US 8.5 or Euro 41. For this pair of Dr. Martens Adrian loafers, I purchased size 8, and they fit well when I wear a pair of thick socks. The loafers feel more roomy with a pair of thinner socks, and my heels do not slip out when I walk. I do find the sizing can be a little tricky since they don't offer a half-size option. With leather shoes, the leather is likely to stretch out over time. Therefore, I'm tempted to size down further, order size 7 next time, and slowly stretch out the shoes. Wearing the loafers, they feel surprisingly comfortable. Even the arch area is not tight like many other shoes I have tried. After my unboxing, I wore them right away and they didn't require a break-in period. If you have wider feet, this may be a good option for you to try since their Chelsea boots are usually more tight and narrow. Anyway, thanks for watching and please subscribe. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!